welcome to Cyber Rock. Today I teach about the Aruba clearpass, different type of publisher, standby publisher, subscribe and inside rules. So many. I thank you for your watching my videos. Thank you for your comments. I request to you, please drop more comments. I need more comment to improve my knowledge and improve my skills, and I share the so much knowledge to you. So please draw comment. Everybody should drop a comment. Okay, today I start the sessions. So any query, any issue, please drop a mail. I mail mention in my descriptions. So today I teach about the standby publisher. What is the role of the inside server? What is the role of publisher? What is the role of standby publisher? There are different types of roles. So what is the role of publisher? These are the main things. What is the role of publisher? Because our Cyber Aruba clearpass is a cluster environment. So that that is a common environment. So publisher, what is the role of the publisher? Publisher node function as the master controller. What is the publisher role? The publisher mode function as the master controller in the clusters. We have made a clusters, that is time publisher is the master controller. Okay, the publisher is the central point of configuration, monitoring and reporting. It is also the central point of database application. All the database are managed through a publisher. There is a at most active publisher in a cluster model and potentially unlimited number of subscribers. The publisher nodes has full read and write access to the configuration database. All configuration change must be made on the publisher. The publisher node send configuration changes to the each subscriber nodes. This is the role of the publisher. I just explained to you. This is the role of the publisher. I explained to you what is the role of the publisher. The publisher node function as the master control in the cluster, because when configure or clearpass that made clusters. So the publisher node function as the master control in the cluster. The publisher is the central point of the configuration, monitoring and reporting. It is also the central point of database replication. All the database are managed through the publishers. There is the most an active publisher in the cluster model and potentially unlimited number of the subscribers. The publisher node has a full read and write access to the configuration database. All the configuration changes must be made on the publisher. The publisher node send configuration changes to the each subscribers. This is a role of the publisher. This is the role of the publisher. Again, this is a publisher and this is standby publisher. This is a publisher, this is a standby. I'm explaining to you, this is only the publisher. This is a publisher and this is the role of the standby publisher. So I explained to you only the publisher role. I'm just going to teach about what is the role of the standby publisher. The standby publisher during the period when cluster does not have any active publisher. Please listen carefully. What is the role of the standby publishers during the period when a cluster does not have an active publisher, or if the publisher goes down? Some functions across the cluster are not available, like service policy configuration, to ensure that any service degradation is limited to the absolute minimum. The clearpass policy manager allows you to handle the traffic to standby publisher. Standby publisher thereby providing or that subscriber node be automatically promoted as active publisher status in the event that the publisher goes out of the service. That is the simple language. This means the publisher goes down, so that fraction of second that standby publisher take care of all the function of the standby publisher. This is a cluster model. The publisher is the main role. If the publisher goes down in the until and some other reason, so that standby publisher taken care of all the radius Tacacs requests. Not going to impact. See, the one more thing I'll take about when publisher and standby publisher goes down in the new environment, the standby publisher and publisher goes down. So what is the impact? No impact. Only the configuration and changes is not made. Okay. So your publisher also goes down and standby publisher also goes down, any reasons, but that your network is going properly working, not going to impact any users. So make sure that but only the new policy configuration, anything not change in happen in your environment, but still is working fine. The configuration is done and configuration working fine. The publisher only is pushing the configuration all the subscriber. Okay, so I just explained to you, publisher has functions the master controller in the cluster. Publisher is the center point of the configuration monitoring and reporting. It is also that center point database replication. All the database are managed through the publisher. Okay, the publisher and standby publisher goes down, so not going to any impact your network. Network is working fine. So again, going to the third point is I have just explained to you this publisher and standby publisher. So I just explained this. What is the role of this subscriber? What is the role of this subscriber? I'm just explaining this is subscriber. This is the role of this subscriber. What is the role of the subscriber? So the subscribe node are worker nodes, all the AAA load, all radius requests and nodes where the policy decision are being made are on the subscriber nodes. Subscriber nodes maintain the local copy of configuration database, and each subscriber has a read only access to the local copy of the configuration database. So that is the use of the subscriber. Again I can just repeat it at that points. What is the role of this subscriber? Subscriber nodes are worker nodes. Subscriber nodes are the worker nodes. All the AAA load, all radius, Tacacs requests, and the node where the policy decisions are being made are on the subscriber nodes. Subscriber nodes maintain the local copy of configuration database, and each subscriber has read only access to the local copy of the configuration. So that means in the subscriber handle the all endpoint traffic, the radius request and Tacacs request. Again, any radius request or Tacacs request handled by the subscriber, but publisher and standby publisher are not taking the any endpoint request and any device request. So please make sure the difference between the publisher and subscriber. Subscriber handling the endpoint request and device request, the AAA request, radius and Tacacs requests. Okay, so that is the main role of the subscriber. That is the last point of discuss about the inside server. What is the use of this inside server? We have a network in this design. So with the use of the inside server, what is the role of inside server? The clearpass inside is an advanced application. Clearpass inside is the advanced application for use of the clearpass policy manager, the platform to the alert, enhance analytics, in-depth reporting. What is the use of the inside role? Clearpass inside is an advanced application for use of the with the clearpass policy manager platform to the deliver enhanced analytic, in-depth reporting tool, and significant gain when the addressing compliance or regulatory overhead. The goal of the inside role, it is easy to manage and authenticate information captured from the policy manager. In order to generate a custom report, a template provides the ability to track detailed authentication record, audit trail, and semantic reports on the network access trends. So that means inside is the roles of the reporting tools, that is you can configure any type of report, any audit report, any daily report. You can configure any daily reports, any monthly report or weekly reports. You can configure and share to your management. Inside is the only reporting tools. You generate the reports and share to management. Each daily reports are authentication reports, or Tacacs report, or radius reports, or any type of report you can configure the reports. So please use the inside tools. Okay, that's the last simple small point. Ingress event engine. That ingress, one is the IEEE standard, one is configure the IEEE, but not over here, but IEEE is the ingress event. What is the use of ingress event nodes? Ingress event nodes, a clearpass ingress event engine provides the ability to consume inbound message pairs when them and trigger action on the sense of the enforcement update to the user endpoint. That means ingress event engine used to the syslog. That means syslog sending the any ingress packet to sending to the ingress event node. So that means ingress event engine node to clearpass ingress event engine provide the ability to consume the inbound message, pass them and trigger action in the sense of the enforcement update to the user endpoints. So I just explained to you these publisher, standby publisher, and subscriber and insight tools. So these are the roles of the subscriber, publisher, and standby. So today only it is about the this type of role. What is the use of the role? I am just showing to my lab. 1 second. This is my this is my lab, and this is my web page of the designing. So you can change your you like what your company logos, you can make embedded changes on your ClearPass manager. It's possible to change it. So I'm just logging to my ClearPass. Okay, I'm logging the ClearPass into my publisher. This is my publisher. See, you can able to see the publisher. I'm click on the publisher. So these are only single publisher. I don't have the much different type of subscribers. So only one public policy manager because of the lab. So these are my publisher. Just this is my publisher. Okay, this is a total type of publisher. You can define this one. Okay, this is the role of the publisher. Okay, so just today I'm explaining the different type of roles, different type of subscribers. What is use of the subscriber? What is use of the insight? What is use of the publisher? What is use of the standby publisher? So today only this class only for information about the publisher statement. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.